Hi everyone and happy Valentine's Day. We were just all in the office before when one of the girls upstairs received a beautiful rose for Valentine's Day. We were all joking saying, oh, you'll have to share it with us because, you know, romance is long dead in our marriages, although happy, you know, still. And then the next thing, boom, I received my own beautiful bunch of roses. So in a panic, I thought, oh my gosh, I haven't got anything for my partner. What will I do for him? And I thought, I'm going to cook him dinner. So this really simple, easy chicken pesto linguine is just made with 4 simple ingredients and a dash of love, and will be perfect if you are a little like me and unorganized and haven't done anything for your husband or partner this Valentine's Day. So here's the ingredients you need, beautiful people. Some chicken, basil pesto, some cream, and pasta. Essentially, they are your 4 ingredients. So I've just got a non-stick frying pan here over medium heat, and into that I'm going to put some chicken. Now I have just seasoned my chicken with cracked pepper, so about 500 grams of chicken, and that is going into my frying pan. Now all I want to do, so I've used a non-stick frying pan, but if you don't have a non-stick frying pan, you may have to just oil it a little. So I'm just going to stir fry or saute the chicken. I'll just spread it out so it doesn't all skew. So hello to everyone joining us and happy Valentine's Day. I was just saying one of the girls upstairs received a really lovely bunch of roses for Valentine's Day, and we were all suggesting she had to share them because, you know, we didn't think our husbands would remember. When lo and behold, I received my own beautiful bunch. And then I went into a panic thinking, oh my gosh, what am I going to do for my husband? So I haven't bought him anything. When we thought, let's make them dinner. So today on the menu, we've got chicken pesto linguine or pasta. And it's a really simple dish. I just into my frying pan, cut up my chicken and put it into the frying pan. And I'm just going to cook it until golden. Oops. Until golden on the outside. Now I've seasoned my chicken just with pepper. Now into the saucepan next to it, you can see there's a lid on my saucepan. I've actually already cooked my linguine or my pasta. Now I just, whenever I cook pasta, I salt the water well. Now the reason I do that is salted water helps flavor your pasta from the inside out. Does anyone else salt the water when they cook pasta? And does anyone actually have a different reason as to why they do that? I'd like to hear your thoughts. But anyway, I've always been told you salt the water because it elevates the flavor of the pasta and reduces the need to have to season afterwards. So salt your water, add your pasta. I used a really beautiful pasta, a chili and tomato pasta that I bought up at Mullaney IGA here on the Sunshine Coast. And if you haven't taken a trip up the to the hinterland lately or to Mullaney, beautiful Mullaney, when you do next stop into the IGA there, it is incredible. They even harvest honey from their rooftop. That is how connected they are to their natural environment at that store. It's really quite extraordinary. And actually, while we're on IGA, big congratulations to all IGA Queensland stores who yesterday donated $100,000 to the Townsville flood victims. So at a time when that community needs it most, IGA have stepped up and shone in that capacity. So, but here we go, just cooking my chicken. So my 4 ingredients for all of you joining us: chicken, basil pesto, cream, and pasta. And that essentially is the ingredients for this really simple pasta dish. So cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated. And if you haven't done anything for your partner this Valentine's Day, a really nice dinner, you know what they say, the fastest way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So a really nice dinner, you know, it's a nice gesture. So, and it's simple. So even if you're at work, you know, lunchtime around, just dash over to the supermarket, get your ingredients, you've already got them, you can do it when you get home. Essentially, this is a recipe out of a little cookbook called One Pot. So the beauty of this and why I chose this today is if you are at work and you don't have the ingredients on your way home, you can quickly just stop, pick them up. And the good thing, this whole dish, Dirty, is literally 1 or 2 pots in the making of it. So one pot to cook the pasta in and one pan to cook the actual chicken in, then make the sauce and then combine it all at the end. So for those of you that have the easiest one-pot cookbook ever, this little recipe is on page 78. So there you go, creamy pesto chicken linguine. Don't worry if you don't have linguine. If you know you've got spiral pasta at home or spaghetti or fettuccine, substitutes just as easily. Penne too, this is a really nice sauce with penne pasta. And why do we love pasta? A little goes a long way. You can buy a packet of pasta at any supermarket across Australia for $1. So, you know, it's good. We like that. Easy and economical. That's what we love in the 4 ingredients kitchen. So let me just flip over my chicken. Now, yesterday, I made a beautiful big platter and I had loads of colourful vegetable sticks on my platter. And from that, I had some leftover capsicum. So, not being one who likes waste in my kitchen, I just chopped up my capsicum and I'm actually going to add that. So, this isn't part of the recipe. But if I had a red onion, I would finely chop that and add that too. Most pasta dishes with the sauce are a fabulous veggie smuggling dish. So, you know, have a look when you're making pasta or sauce, certain sauces for your pasta, and add as many veggies as you can as well. Today, I have only got red capsicum, but I like adding something red on Valentine's Day. Red, after all, is the colour of love. So hello, everybody. Beautiful Linda McClure, hello to you. Happy Valentine's Day, darling, as well. Marjorie Metcalf, nice to see you, Marjorie, from Blackstone. Well, you would know Melanie IGA very well. Helen Glove, I saw your beautiful post yesterday on Facebook. I know you were off for treatment yesterday. I hope it went well. You looked beautiful. In particular, love the red lipstick. I just think treatment would be better with lipstick on, Helen. Zoanne Elliott, hello from Townsville. Oh my gosh, Zoanne. Our thoughts and prayers are with you, your neighbours, everybody in the community. We hope the cleanup is going easy for you, or as easy as it can be. So know we are all thinking about you. Trudy Purcell, well, hello. Maureen Matthews, hello from Tamworth. Oh my gosh, Maureen, did you survive the Country Music Festival? Did you get to see Keith Urban? How fabulous. Justine Slack, hello from Seattle. Oh, Justine, hope you are having a fabulous Valentine's Day all the way in Seattle. You probably don't have a dress on that looks like this today. Perhaps a beanie, some leg warmers, love. Olivia Darlow, hello from Townsville as well. Oh, Olivia, likewise, we're thinking of you. Michaela Stoker, well, hello to you. Sandra Austin from Kingaroy, well, hello, Sandra. Love the peanuts that come out of that region. Julie Malloy, all the way from the GC. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, darling. So, again, chicken pesto linguine. So I've just cooked up my chicken. You can see it's starting to turn a really nice kind of golden colour in my pan. I had some capsicum left over from yesterday in my fridge here. So that's kind of the colour. Look at my beautiful chicken. Okay, that's kind of the colour of my chicken, which is really nice. Oh, the capsicum in the moisture of the chicken just smells so good. So that's what the inside of my frying pan looks like at the moment. A little bit golden, which is nice, just for that colour. Now what we're going to do, beautiful people, is we are going to reduce the heat a tad in a second, and we're going to add our next ingredient, which is our basil pesto. Now I just chose this one because it was on sale at my supermarket this morning. So I want 4 tablespoons of my basil pesto. Now essentially, when you cook at home with 4 or fewer ingredients, if you are cooking tonight, ask yourself what ingredient is the star ingredient. Remember, it's important to have a star ingredient because it is adding the flavour to your dish. So in this dish, it is my basil pesto. So of course, if you've got time to make your own basil pesto, you know, fresh is best, but today I've got a really busy day. I've got to go to school, I've got to go give blood, I've got to do all these things. So I'm keeping it really simple. I've poured my basil pesto. I'm just going to stir that around my chicken. And now I'm going to reduce my heat. So I'll just show you what I've done. I've stirred the basil pesto. You can see that's coated my chicken and capsicum nicely. I've stirred my basil pesto through my chicken. I'm going to reduce the heat, and then I'm going to add the cream. And that, beautiful people, is literally dinner done. So the longer you have, I've got some cream from our good friends at Bulla, another Aussie family-owned company. So next time you're buying cream, look for Bulla. Over 110 years, Bulla. It's a Victorian-based family. So you use whatever cream, but we personally love that it's Australian family company. And also, it's just a really good quality cream. It's beautiful. So when you're only using a couple of ingredients to cook your loved one dinner, make them a good quality ingredient, because quality in, quality out. So let's give that a stir. And then we're just going to, I've reduced the heat, and I'm just going to simmer that now over a sort of low-medium heat for around about 10 to 15 minutes, and give it time for those flavours to blend together. And at that point, what I would do is I would add, so that's kind of the consistency of the cream in my pan. You can see that. It's quite runny. But what's going to happen, that'll thin a little as it simmers over the next 10 minutes and the flavour grows. But what you're going to do, you're going to drain your pasta, which I'll show you I've already done. I drained my pasta, and you're going to add that to that beautiful creamy pesto chicken. And that will add a dash of romance, season with love, and there's your dinner for your partner for Valentine's Day tonight, if you, like me, haven't organised anything else. So this year, don't buy it, bake it, go home and make it for them. So just don't forget to season with love. Food tastes better seasoned with love, doesn't it, beautiful people? So hello to everyone, wherever you're joining us from. Tian, Linda now, happy Valentine's Day to you, darling, too, down there in Adelaide. Sue Boytle from Toowoomba, beautiful darling down. Sandra Davies, sounds good, it is Sandra, and it's easy and it is economical. Connie Gum, well, hello to you too from the Gold Coast. Annie Pettigrew, hello, darling. Mulaney has the best IGA. It has a cracker of an IGA. And like we said, congrats to all Queensland IGAs. So yesterday only donated, just yesterday, donated $100,000 to the Townsville flood victims. It's just so fantastic. Tony Travely, can you post the recipe as well? 100%. So Tony, what I will do just for you in about 15 minutes, because I don't expect you all to hang on here with me, when the sauce is kind of, I've given a little bit more time for the flavours to blend together, I'm going to add the pasta, stir it all through. I've got my beautiful little red plate here, my plate of love. I'm going to pile it all up, pop a little bit of Parmesan cheese over it, garnish with a little bit of fresh basil that I picked out of our garden here at work. Put a couple of these beautiful little red love hearts around the edge of the plate. Take a pretty little picky, and I will post that picky and the recipe at the top of this feed for you. Now stay tuned, beautiful people, too, because you can see the book behind me here, Foreplay. We are announcing later today the winners of that competition, so know that little recipe book is the cheapest antidepressant on the market. It will give you a laugh, plus over 80 beautiful recipes you can cook for your loved ones 365 days a year, not just on Valentine's Day. But everybody, I best be going. I've got so much going on today. But Alicia Krause, hello from Penrith. Oh, what's the weather like in Penrith today, Alicia? Jen Evans, well, hello to you. Karen Klimkite, hello, happy Valentine's Day from Frankston down there in Melbourne. Oh, I heard it's really cold down there at the moment, so stay warm, hun. It's famine or feast in the country at the moment, isn't it? Stephen Gray, have you seen the chocolate buttholes Valentines? This is legit. No, I haven't, but now that you mention it, I'll have to go looking for it. Lenny LeBoy, hello from South Australia. Hello, Julie Dicker from Vincentia. Where is Vincentia, Julie? Trina Gwynn from Toowoomba, Romain Jacko team. Too much talking, get on with the cooking. Well, it's all done now. Sorry, I get carried away. It's nice to see all your beautiful comments from all around the country, in fact, all around the world. So happy Valentine's Day, people. Chicken pesto linguine, really simple. Basil pesto, cream, chicken, pasta. Dinner is done. You can get it on the way home today and cook the dinner for your loved one tonight. just remember to season with love. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.